Hello, I'm Chris from NightSearcher, and I'm here to introduce you to the Galaxy Pro-6K, the new upgraded version of our best-selling floodlight, the Galaxy Pro. Designed and engineered in the UK, with improved electronics for enhanced performance, it now comes with a very impressive 6,000 lumen light output. By using the latest LED technology, we've almost doubled the brightness without really affecting the runtime. Our new Galaxy Pro is extremely powerful and designed for use in harsh industrial locations, such as construction, utilities, hire, police and emergency services. Rated at IP54, it's tough, water resistant and survives a drop from 4 meters. You can use it in any environment. It can be angled and used in combination with magnets, enabling you to direct the light exactly where it's needed. 2 quick-release tripods are available, a 2-meter stainless steel or a 3.5-meter aluminium. Both can be single or dual mounted with 1 or 2 light heads. It's powered by an eco-friendly rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which makes it lightweight, and it can be folded flat to carry. It provides a wide beam of light up to 60 meters distance. It has 3 light levels, low, medium and high, and has a runtime of up to 8 hours on a single charge. Or dim it down to extend the runtime to 60 hours. A battery status indicator shows you when it needs charging. The floodlight can be used when plugged into AC mains, so you can continue working. And the convenient charger compartment means the AC or optional vehicle charger is always at hand. Other colours can be supplied by special order. For peace of mind, the Galaxy Pro 6K comes with a 5-year warranty. Ideal for demanding work scenarios, this reliable, robust floodlight allows you to work safely in a wide range of applications all through the night. To see our full range, please visit our website, NightSearcher, lighting the future.